Hello, my name is Victor. I'm presenting a project called Recipefy. Recipefy is a backend API. The team members for this project is just one person, which is me. My name is Victor Bonkun. And the description for the project is Recipefy is a backend application aimed at managing recipes. It provides a comprehensive API for creating, retrieving, updating, and deleting recipes. The application will handle various aspects of recipe management, including storing recipes detail in database, performing CRUD operation, and managing user authentication. So the leading objectives for this project include to gain proficiency in building RESTful API using NestJS. So also learn database management and CRUD operation with NestJS and a database system. For this project, I'll be using PostgreSQL. Also understand user authentication and authorization mechanism in a backend application. I'll also practice project planning, development, deployment frame or workflow. Also in the project, I'll gain experience in error handling, testing, and debugging in backend environment. So the technologies used include NestJS. It's a progressive Node.js framework for building efficient, reliable, and scalable server-side application. Also use Postgre for the database. It is an open source relational database for storing recipe data. I'll use JWT, that's JSON Web Token, for implementing user authentication and authorization. Then for my version control, I'll be using Git, that's GitHub for version control and collaboration among team members. In this aspect, it's just me. Okay, then challenges identified so far is implementing a secure authentication system to protect user data and access the API endpoint. Something I'm not really good at yet, so it's a bit challenging. And also designing and optimizing the database schema to efficiently store and retrieve data. Error handling, exception gracefully to ensure robustness and reliability, and writing a comprehensive test to verify the functionality and performance of the backend or API. Another challenge is deploying the application to a cloud platform so that everyone could get access to the API. The schedule for work can be found on Trello. The schedule for work can be found on Trello, and that's by clicking this link. Let me quickly show you the workflow. So, this looks like it's an ad. So here is a workflow. So for the workflow, I'll have the project set up, I'll have the authentication, I'll have the authentication endpoint, I'll design the database, I'll write the CRUD operation, write a unit test to test all the functionality so far, write the additional features which include searching, filtering, etc. And then I'll handle some error and exception, set up ACI, a continuous integration for the project using the version control, and then deploy it to a server. This should take this is fit into 13 days, and if followed gracefully, should be able to get everything done on time. So to continue with from where we stopped, the conclusion of the whole thing is that Recipefy Backend aims to deliver a robust and scalable solution for managing recipes. The main idea behind this is that people should be able to search recipe by ingredients. They should be able to search it by the nutrients it gives, that's by nutrition. Should be able to search by if it's going to be for vegetarians, or for maybe for people with some kind of diet diet restriction and all those kind of stuff. So every recipe created has all those details to them, so if you can just search through the whole database to find a particular recipe you're looking for. And I think it's going to be very, very useful for users to share recipes and users to find recipes they're looking for. So thank